Hello, year twos. I hope you're doing well. So here's Monster Maths day one. I'll just go through it basically, talk about the structure of the packs, how it's supposed to look for Monster Maths. Looking at arithmetic to start off with. So these are basic questions that will help with your understanding of fluency, and after that we'll have the worded problems as well. Okay, I'm not going to show you how to work out the answers, just talk to you basically about what needs to be done with them. So have fun trying to work it out, and if there's anything that's troubling you, just let me know through class email. All right, take care now. Well done, good luck, and let's go to the next slide. Right, so in your packs, this is how it's going to look. So you've got the day one arithmetic and monster word problems. Now it probably looks very daunting all on one page there, but if you break it up, it might be easier. Okay, so here you have the arithmetic part of the pack. So remember how we added, we subtracted, multiplied or divided throughout this year. Okay, so pause the video and have a go at working these out. We'll give the answers on the pack on Wednesday. All right, so pause the video now and good luck. So here are some worded problems for you. We've got 7 of them and 1 extension as well. So what I'm going to do over the next few parts of the video, I will have the word problem up and then I'll pause the video and you can have a go. All right, and those of you that are finding a little bit of a struggle, not knowing what you're going to have to do in there, I'll put a little bar model afterwards just so that you can have a go at understanding what's happening, and then you can give it a go as well. So I'll give it a go to start off with, and good luck with them. So over to the next part. Alright, so this is the first of the 7 questions. Each question will have it like this. Well, I'll have the words up on the start here, and then I can break this into 3 parts. So each question I'll break into 3 parts, and you can skip to the next question depending what part you're on. So the first part, I'll say pause the video and have a go at answering it. So I won't even read it to you. So that's the first part. The second part, I'll read the question to you, and then you can have a go at doing it yourself. Okay, and then the third part, I'll have a little pictorial representation by way of a bar model to underpin basically what's going on. Okay, so it's going to expose the maths behind each question. Okay, so here's the first one. Here's a question. Try and have a read for yourself. Pause the video and have a go. Okay, if you're happy with that, skip over to question number 2. Right, if you're having a bit of a challenge with the reading, I'll read it for you. A spotty monster has 5 spots on them. There are 4 monsters. How many spots do they have all together? Any keywords, any numbers in there that's going to help you out? Pause the video now, see if you can have a go at it. Good luck. Okay, if you're happy with that, go into question number 2. Those of you that are finding out what's going on here, let's expose it, shall we? So let this be our spotty monster. Okay, and the spotty monster, it says, has 5 spots on them. And there's your 5 spots. And it also says that there are 4 monsters. So how many spots do they have all together? We need to get 4 monsters up here. And here are our 4 monsters right now. And now it says how many spots do we have all together? Pause the video, give it a go before you move on to question number 2. Alright, good luck with that. Okay, welcome to question number 2. So the first part, reading it by yourself and having a go. Okay, pause the video now. Okay, if you're happy with that, go to question number 3. Alright, second part, I'm going to read it to you. There were 65 monsters under Miss Davis's bed. 10 leave as they were 2 squashed. How many are there left? Pause the video now and have a little go. Okay, if you're happy with that, go to question number 3. And third part, looking at it as a bar model. So this is going to represent my 65 monsters under Miss Davis's bed. So all of that is going to be 65. and it says 10 leave as there were 2 squashed. Okay, so there's 10 that have gone away, so I'm representing that bar part there as it's gone. So how many there left? So we need to find out this little part here. Alright, so hopefully that's exposed what you're going to be doing. Write your number sentence out, give it a go, and see if you can work that out. Okay, here we are. Have a go. Hello and welcome to question number 3. So is the first part, read and answer the questions by yourself. Okay, pause the video in 3, 2, 1, go. If you're happy with that, go to question number 4. Okay, part 2. I'm going to read the question to you. Here we are. Blue monster has 35p and red monster has 40p. How much money do they have all together? Alright, so I've highlighted some keywords and numbers for there. For you, give it a go and see if you can answer it. Okay, and get ready to pause it now. Okay, if you're happy with that, go to question number 4. Right, let's get some pictorial representations going on here. So I've had it read to you. Let this represent the 35p that the blue monster have. Let this represent the 40p that the red monster has. Okay, it says how much do they have all together. So they're going to put them together and you're going to try and find out what the whole is, what the total is. Okay, get ready to pause it and see if this helps you out with trying to figure out how you can solve this problem. 3, 2, 1, pause. Okay, welcome to question number 4. Here's the first part. Read and answer the question by yourself and pause now. Alright, happy with that? Go to question number 5. Second part, I'll read the question to you. So, green monster had 83p. She spent 21p on sweets. How much money does she have left? See if this helps you out. Pausing it in 3, 2, 1, pause. If you're happy with that, go to question number 5. Right, here's a bar model to help you out. So there's green monster and she has 83p. Right, and this is going to represent the 21p that she spent on sweets. So how much does she have left? We need to work it out. Hopefully this will help you solve the problem. Okay, off you go and pause it. 3, 2, 1, pause. Alright, welcome to question number 5. Before you read it, there's a few things I need to change. So that doesn't make sense for this type of question, and this is the words that you should have. Okay, so read it and answer it by yourself. Get ready to pause it. 3, 2, 1, pause. Okay, so if you're happy with that, go to question number 6. So let's read it. A monster buys 2 underpants. He gives the shopkeeper £1.20 and the shopkeeper gives him 22p change. How much did the monster spend? Alright, so the monster buys 2 underpants. We don't really need that. It's a red herring there. So you're going to need £1.20, the 22p change, and how much was spent. Okay, hopefully that can help you out a little bit more. Get ready to pause your video. 3, 2, 1, pause. If you gave that a go and you're happy with it, go to question number 6. Here's the bar models to help those others out. Okay, so monster buys 2 underpants and he gives the shopkeeper £1.20. So that's the whole. He has £1.20. This is going to represent the £1.20. I'm going to change it to 120p because I know that £1.20 is the same as 120p. The reason why I do that is because he was given 22p change, so I want to keep the units the same. So we need to know how much did the monster spend. Alright, get your number sentences sorted out, see if you can solve it. Good luck with this one, it's a toughie. 3, 2, 1, pause. Okay, and welcome to number 6. Once again, read and answer the questions by yourself. Get ready to pause it, and now. If you're happy with that, then you can move on to question number 7. Let me read this to you and highlight some keywords and numbers. Right, a monster steals 74 underpants from Pearson's. On his way home, he loses 47 underpants. He loses them. How many does he have left? Okay, does that help you out any further? See if you can answer it by yourself. Get ready to pause it and pause. If you're happy with that, let's go to question number 7. Right, bar modeling time. Let's see. Excuse me. So the monster steals 74 underpants. This green bar is going to represent the 74 underpants he steals. Okay, and then he loses 47 underpants. So that's how much he's lost there. We need to know how much he has left. Right, hopefully this bar model will help you out with solving it. Pause it and give it a go. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, welcome to question number 7. The last of your questions before the extension if you want to. So, read it, try and solve it. 3, 2, 1, pause. Okay, if you're happy with that, if you want to get on with the extension, go for it. Okay, the rest of you. In Monster School, there are 10 yellow monsters, and each monster has 2 sharp and pointy horns. How many horns do 10 monsters have? Okay, hopefully these will help you answer the questions. A bit tricky, this one. Okay, 3, 2, 1, pause. Okay, let's put this into a bar model to represent what this is actually saying. So let this be the yellow monster. Okay, we now know that there's 10 monsters. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Got my 10 bars for the 10 monsters. It says that each monster has 2 sharp and pointy horns. Okay, so that's one monster with 2 sharp pointy horns. Let's do the rest. Give the other 9, all 10 of them with their sharp and pointy horns. This is the bar model to represent that, and a bit of drawing in there as well. So have fun trying to figure out how many horns do the 10 monsters have. Pause it and have some fun. Welcome to the extension. Well done, you've made it to the extension. Thank you for holding out this far, and come up with your own monster word problems. You could base it around what I'm going to do now. I'll give you a few bar models that you can structure your questions on, and then you can just change the numbers or change what they're doing. So let's say, for example, that this that is going to represent a monster. So the red monster has eaten 7 donuts, and the yellow monster has eaten 52 donuts. So how many donuts have they eaten all together? So you can change the wordings around, and you could use this bar model representation to figure out, or to write a word problem down that says how many things are there together. Okay, you can come up with another question such as the red monster has 72 marbles, and he has given the yellow monster 35 of them. So how many does the red monster have now, or how many he's got left? You can structure it around that. Have fun, look at these bar models, and see if you can come up with your own word problems. Okay, have some fun with that, and well done, you've done really great. Thank you, and join me for day 2 next time, when we will be doing much of the same basically. Hopefully this has helped you understand the packs. Let me know how it goes. Good luck and well done.